What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Bree and I am back. Okay, you already know what it is. All right, so today we are checking out Juvia's Place holiday collection part 1, because by the time y'all see this video, Chi Chi said pause, wait a minute, rewind. Y'all thought I was finished? Y'all thought I was done? Y'all was sitting there talking about, are you done? Chi Chi has dropped, and Chi Chi is the owner of Juvia's Place. She has dropped 2 holiday collections, and her first collection features this palette and this collection right here, which is the Nubian Royal. And she also, with this collection, there's the Nubian Glow, which is like the orangey gold kind of vibes. But I really needed the purple one. Y'all know purple my favorite color, and if you don't know, you know now. Like, I need it. Like, her first purple palette she came out with, I was like, that's cute or whatever. And then she came and gave us this, and I was like, I need it. Okay, get into this look. And I already know y'all gonna ask about the lips. Don't worry, I got you. So if you bought the collection, it also came with lip balms. Chi Chi has never done, or however you want to say it, Juvia's Place has never done lip balms, period. So this is her first run on lip balms, and what's the base of my lips is the caramel lip balm. It looks like this. And these lip balms, y'all, because I put on the berry tone one, which I'm also going to show you. I put that on at the very beginning, and I was like, oh, this is moisturizing, because y'all know I stay in Wisconsin. Y'all know it's 32 degrees today, and today is actually Halloween, October 31st. And I woke up to ice on my windshield, okay? So I was like, this is nice, Chi Chi, we needed this. Thank you. And then when I first started the video, which you guys will see, because it's the intro before we get into all of that, is this berry tone right here. Looks like this. And they're like very soft colors. Like, they're not giving you too much pigment, just a little sun. And you know, just something a little perfect, you know, little you know, I like it. It's very moisturizing, very softening. I hope Chi Chi keeps these permanent, and I hope she comes out with more colors, you know, with a little bit more sauce, because I'm definitely buying them. So the next thing on my lips, I line my lips with, ooh child, because this lip pencil is Rimmel Long, what? Rimmel London Lasting Finish. And it is the color Coffee Bean. This is really the only liner I use, y'all. Like, I ain't gonna hold you. This is my go-to right here. It looks good with all colors. And then the color you are seeing that's popping is right here, is the ColourPop X Ellarie. Ellarie is actually here on YouTube. This is when she collabed with them a second time, and this is the color named Yoshi, which if you follow Ellarie, that is her daughter's name, and Yoshi is so cute. And Yoshi also has a YouTube channel that I follow too. I just love them, and the color is like so perfect, because I was like, why not go all out, be bold, do it. So I just had to. And then on the very top that you see the little shimmers, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is the color Moon Jelly. And this is literally just a topper, just to give you a little shine, a little oh yeah. Because if y'all don't wear ColourPop, ultra matte liquid lipsticks are dry. I'm talking Sahara Desert dry. That's why I put the Juvia's Place balm underneath, to keep my lips, protect the lips from being dry. But yeah, y'all, this is what we reviewed today. I don't have no complaints about this collection. I love it. One thing I will just note, this color right here is a topper. And when you'll see in the tutorial, I was trying to figure it out, because I was like, why is it not shimming? That's because it's a topper. But like, these right here are just legit. Oh, if I would have read the back. So this is a glitter. That's why. This is a straight up glitter. You can pack it on probably with your finger, but ain't nobody, I don't got time for that. And let me see what else. Let me say 3, 4, and 5. I guess the rest These, well, the mattes are pressed pigments, and then these are just regular eyeshadows. Why don't you learn? Okay, so yeah, y'all, stay tuned and you can catch the tutorial for this. I do have plans on picking up the holiday collection part 2. It's the Wahala palette 2. You already know the Wahala palette 1 was lit, so you know I gotta have, y'all know I collect all the Juvia's Place palettes, so this ain't even no question. We don't even talk about it. But y'all stay tuned to catch this tutorial. I will catch y'all in the next one. So nice to see you. Stay safe. Have a very safe Halloween, if that's your thing, if that's what you do. No judgment from me. Just do it safely. Be careful, and don't forget, tomorrow, tonight, however you want to say it, time go back an hour. Yes, 2020 said hello. I'm here for an extension. Okay, but other than that, I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.